Hi ma'am, good evening. Okay lang bang kantahan ko kayo? Sana magustuhan niyo ma'am. I was standing all alone against the world outside. You were searching for a place to hide. Don't you worry, now you're giving me the way to survive. You are hungry, love will keep us alive. So yun na po ma'am. Gusto niyo ba? Anong masasabi niyo sa kanta ko ma'am? Ha? Maganda ba? Maganda ba? Maganda. Ikaw ma'am, nagustuhan mo rin? By the way, Christopher nga pala ma'am. Christopher. Salamat ma'am ha. Dito na kami ma'am, salamat. Dito na kami.